I'm here today in El Barrio Restaurant in Mundelein, Illinois. Jim's favorite place to get Mexican food. Opened in 1972. I've been coming here since I was 9 years old. I like to come and get the enchiladas. Brad, what's your favorite thing to eat when you're here?
The enchiladas. They're the best. Best in town.
I'm with you. It's the enchiladas. Hey, you guys like the margaritas here?
Yes.
This is our flight of margaritas. This is the house, the gold Corlejo, the Georgia peach, and the spicy margarita.
With over 80 different types of tequila, I guarantee there's going to be something you like. Here comes my buddy Arturo. Arturo, right now, are you bringing me some food? Arturo helps us when we come in, man. You're going to love everybody here. Ashley runs the Mexican bingo game. What nights is that?
Loteria is on Wednesday nights at 6 p.m.
Loteria?
Is Loteria Bingo.
So it's
Mexican bingo. We learn as we go. Like, and they make fun of me how I say the words wrong.
And you're all full of energy, and it's fun.
Yeah.
And so how much does it cost for someone to come and play
It's
bingo?
free.
Absolutely
And
free to
we
come and
have
play
awesome
bingo.
prizes here.
It is the place to go. If you're in Illinois and you want Mexican food, you come into El Barrio in Mundelein, right next to Diamond Lake.